India will soon restore parts of the ancient Prambanan temple complex here in Indonesia.
Minister of Culture Fadli Zon says India is planning to restore Prambanan temple complex. He mentions that Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi presented the idea 1.5 years ago. Fadli confirmed the revitalization will focus on smaller structures known as Purwara temples surrounding the main complex. Speaking to reporters at the Presidential Palace in Jakarta, Fadli welcomes India's commitment. He informs that out of about 200 Purwara temples, only 6 have been revitalized so far. As one of the largest Hindu temples in the world, Prambanan has 3 main shrines and hundreds of supporting structures. Fadli says both governments are still calculating the budget, adding that the collaboration will speed up restoration of the 1,000-year-old heritage site.